Where?
Up the stairs.
Okay.
Pineapple Dam.
What is it?
Pineapple Dam Nature Trail. I'm telling Leah that it collects water from rain and from the mountains. That's where we get our water. We're washing ourselves.
Look, Mommy. When we watch COVID-19, like with the mountain.
Some people go down there for, I don't know, maybe for...
Hello, we're in a dam.
What?
There are very big rocks that we can't step on.
You see, Leah?
A maple leaf.
Maple leaf.
Yun, no, Bibo? Diba? Autumn, fall,
It turns to red and orange and yellow.
You can breathe. My Bibo says here, warning, do not attempt to cross a stream when water is rapid or covers bridge stepping stones. Look, I told you, diba, the water, it comes from the mountain and goes to the dam. Look how the water passes through the rocks. Diba? Diba? It goes through the rocks. Yes. And when the
Yeah, to
go
make
to
it
the
clean.
dam, to go to the dam.
What are these?
Stay in the middle.
Friends?
What's the difference between a monkey, a primate, monkey primate, or
Look,
and an
another
ape?
one.
Look,
Oh,
They
don't
have-
look, babe. Do not look directly.
they have tails, while apes, they don't have tails.
What do they?
Leah, the monkey is following you.
Oh, I stopped.
What do you think? The monkey a bird. It's nice to go here, no? And just have a beautiful monkey.
That's a baby dog. They're too big. Yeah.
Say hi. We'll go check out the water.
Hello.
Push, mommy. Push.
Hello.
One, two, three, action! Kaya ka na magpunas.
Look, oh, babe. There's the bees, oh.
Yeah.
They're getting
Nectar.
nectar from the flower.
Yay! Go bees, go bees.
Your knees. Keep going. Use the muscle here. To swim.
Go, babe.
Hello. Let's go there.
Say it.
Hello. Hello. How about here? Can we?
Forward. Ice cream. Yummy. The monkey is playing dead. Play dead. So many monkeys.
Bira mo pala yun.
We're done.